Right out of high school, went to work for a moving company and worked locally, and then I saw the guys driving the big trucks. Always wanted to drive a truck. As soon as I was old enough, 21 years old, got after it. Going with the mindset of how would I want to be relocated if I were paying for the move, you know? I think it starts with communication. They hear from the driver himself, hey, I'm coming and we're gonna take care of it from start to finish.
I met James back in 2004. He is a very kind-hearted person. He has a wonderful work ethic.
James is part of an elite group of a handful, really. And James is kind of a partner that you can ask anything of. You can put the largest challenge, you can give him the toughest job, and you can rest assured and be comfortable in the fact that you won't hear anything from a coordinator or a salesperson or a customer for that matter. All you hear is praise.
You know, James says the right thing the first time because there's no reason to rush, and he's very deliberate in what he does. He's very deliberate in what he thinks about. He's real quiet, doesn't say much, but he always does the right thing. He's always in the core values of doing the right thing, he works hard, and just makes sure the job goes right. In 2018, I was like, well, James, you know, I really want you to get a new tractor or maybe a new trailer because I really think you have what it takes to be the driver of the year. And he's like, I don't know. He says, I don't know if that will happen or not.
He said, we're gonna get you there. We're gonna get you there. And I just kept doing my thing. It's something that I've dreamt about since I was, young in this industry. How we doing?
Oh, we're doing great.
You guys tricked me.
Everybody, I'd like to introduce Mayflower's 2026 Van Operator Driver of the Year.
So I came to Buehler today and was led into a big crowd of people, and I won Van Operator of the Year for Mayflower.
Oh, yay! You should be proud. You've always been really awesome at your job.
I've wanted that for so long, but now that it's here, I'm like, it's awesome. It's still sinking in, I guess. Yeah. I mean, I can only do so much driving the truck, but the team you choose is really like 80% of it.
He has brought a lot of joy today hearing about this.
It's a recognition for something that he's worked really long and hard for. So I'm really proud.
So proud of him to get that, and it's just a huge accomplishment to the whole operations and OTR fleet. I couldn't be prouder.